Okay, now come and solve this sum with me. See, here, this is the graph. Okay, this is the graph. One unit on y-axis we take at 10 meter. Unit is equal to 10 meter. And here in x-axis, 1 unit is equal to how much? 1 unit is equal to 5 second. Distance we are taking in meter and time we are taking in seconds. So the relation between distance and time, what we will get? We will get speed only. Okay. Now the object is there at A position. Here the initial velocity is 10 meter from A to B. Now it reached the point B. So for reaching A to B, it travel a distance. Where is the B? See, B is there at the 20 meter. B is there at 20 meter. So it travel a distance of 10 meter. And what is the time? In what time? Check. The time is there in x-axis. It is 10 second. So in 10 second, it covered 10 meter. So what is the speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. So it is 10 by 10, that is 1 meter per second. 10 by 10, 1 meter per second. Now come to the next. That is when the object is at B. What the object is doing? Object is moving from B to C. See, where is the B position? At 20 meter. B position is at 20 meter. Now the C position is at 20 meter only. Both B and C are there in the 20 meter. So what it means? कहीं नहीं जा रहा है बंदा, अपने जगह पे ही खड़ा है. The object is there at the same place. It is not moving, only the time is increasing. Now he is thinking what he will do in the exam. Okay. So how to solve the physics paper? That's why he stand on the way and thinking about the physics. But you don't think that. Understood? So यहाँ पे ये B to C distance क्या है? Same है, 20 meter. The object is there at 20 meter only. Understood? And the time is changed. Time is changed 10 to 15. That is 5 seconds. So in that case, what is the speed? Speed is equal to same. Distance is same only. No traveling the distance. So it is 0 only. 20 minus 20. The object at B is 20. C at 20. So 20 minus 20 is 0. So here the speed is 0. Got it? Now come to the next. When the object is at the C position. C position is at 20 meter. And it is reaching the D position. So the distance between the C and D. Where is the D? C, it is on 40 meter. So 20 to 40, it is covering the distance of 20 meter. Now the distance covered is 20 meter. And what is the time interval? The time interval is 15 to 20. That means in 5 seconds it covers the 20 meter. So time is 5 seconds. So it will become 4 meter per second. So in the first case, here the speed will be 1 meter per second. Here the speed is 0. Here the speed is 4 meter per second. Got it? A to B, B to C, C to D. What about the average speed? For average, all of you know that what we are doing, simply we are adding the things. And number of interval we are dividing. But directly you can do from A to D position. Total distance covered by total time taken. What is the average speed? Average speed, the formula of average speed is average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. total distance traveled by total time taken. So what is the distance? At first the initial position is 10 meter. The final position is 40 meter. So what is the distance? Total distance is 40 minus 10. That is 30 meter. Total distance covered is 10 to 40 is 30 meter. Okay. Final minus initial. Now total time taken is 20 seconds. At what second? Here the second is 20 second. In 20 second it covers the 30 meter. So 3 by 2, that is 1.5 meter per second. When the object is in that direction only, going upward, not returning back, the initial position and final position both are the initial and final position. The distance between the initial and final position is known as the displacement. So what is the displacement? Write in comment box. Write the displacement in comment box. Displacement. Okay. Now if we are changing the distance d to here at E position. See, this is the E position where it is at 20. E position is at 20 and the time interval is 25. So you have to find the average speed and average velocity. When the object is there at E position, you have to find the average speed and average velocity. Find it, average speed and average velocity, and write this in your comment box.